In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace part in the assembly. So let's get started.
In this lecture, we're going to show how we can replace a part in the assembly. So we have two parts here, part 1 and part 2. And we want to replace this part with some another part. When we are replacing part, we must know what relations this part has with other parts. So this part has concentric relation and center. So we want to insert a new part that will have those two relations. And Solidworks tries to copy those mates to another part, but sometimes doesn't succeed. And then we have to fix those mates. So replacing part is pretty much really easy. Just right click on the part that you want to replace. Let's go down here. And here we have replace components. Let's click here. Here on the left side, we have two dialog boxes. In the first dialog box, we have to select the part that we want to replace. And this is automatically selected. This one, part 2. And here in the second dialog box, we have to choose which part we want to insert. So let's go to Browse. And let's show all parts. And here we have part 3 replacing part. Let's click on this one. And now, if this is selected, we can just click OK. And now here on the left side, we have 3 mates and they're all correct. We can just simply click OK. And as we see, replacing part was really easy and Solidworks successfully copied all mates. So we have here concentric and centered. And now we're going to replace this part with another part and then we're going to see what's going to happen. So let's right click on this part. Let's go down. And here we have replace components. So we have this part, part 3, that we want to replace. And here we have to choose our part that we want to insert. And that's going to be part 2, replacing part. This one, it's selected. And let's click OK. And now, as you see, we have some errors. And we have to fix those errors. We can see our errors here. So we have errors with our mates, concentric and width. Let's go out and let's cancel here. And let's exit here. And now to fix those errors, we have to go to mates. Let's open mates and let's see what is wrong with concentric. Right click on the concentric and edit feature. And here we have some missing face. So we have face 1 here and face 2 is missing. So let's right click on the face 2 and delete. And now we can choose, since this is concentric, we have this one, we have to choose this one. And click OK. And now we fixed concentric relation. And we see that this part is moving along z-axis and this is not what we want. We want to center this part here. So let's go to width, right click, edit feature. And here we see that we are missing tab selections because we don't have those two sides here anymore. So let's delete this, clear selections, and let's choose this cylinder. And now we see that this cylinder is centered here. We can just click OK. And we fixed all our errors. And now we see that this part can rotate and it's not moved. It's centered. So replacing part is sometimes really easy and sometimes you'll have to fix some errors mates because Solidworks didn't successfully copy all the mates.
If you find this video useful, you can check out my full courses that I have on the platform Udemy, where I enrolled over 47,000 students over the last few years, where I have courses about everything in SolidWorks for part design, assembly, drawing, sketching, animation, rendering, surfacing, sheet metal, and FEA, and also preparation for a certificate CSWA and CSWP. So you can check out all of these courses and get your SolidWorks skills to the next level.